Alright, imagine this. You're staring at a pile of receipts, your head buzzing with numbers, and you just need to access your QuickBooks Online to make sense of it all. But the login screen stares back at you like a cryptic puzzle. Sound familiar? Have you ever felt that tiny jolt of panic when you can't remember how to simply log in? You're not alone. It's a common frustration, especially when you're dealing with the daily whirlwind of running a business. We live in a world where everything's supposed to be streamlined, efficient, and at our fingertips. Yet, something as basic as logging into your accounting software can sometimes feel like navigating a digital labyrinth. That's why today we're going to demystify the process. We're going to break down exactly how to log into QuickBooks Online step by step, ensuring you can access your crucial financial data without a hitch. QuickBooks Online is a powerhouse for small businesses. It's the digital backbone that helps manage your income, expenses, invoices, and so much more. But like any powerful tool, it requires a little understanding to use it effectively. And the first step, of course, is getting in. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's address why this simple login process is so important. It's not just about accessing your numbers. It's about accessing your peace of mind. When your finances are organized and accessible, you can make informed decisions, track your business's health, and focus on what you do best, growing your venture. Think of it this way: your QuickBooks Online account is your financial command center. It's where you monitor your cash flow, analyze your performance, and plan for the future. Without easy access, you're essentially flying blind. So, let's get you logged in. We'll cover everything from the basic login steps to troubleshooting common issues, and even touch on some security best practices. First, let's start with the most basic method, the standard web login. Step 1. Open your web browser. Open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, or any other browser you regularly use. Step 2. Navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. In the address bar, type in the official QuickBooks Online website, quickbooks.intuit.com. Press Enter. Step 3. Click the Sign In button. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. Step 4. Enter your user ID or email address. You'll be prompted to enter your user ID or email address associated with your QuickBooks Online account. Type it in carefully. Step 5. Enter your password. Next, enter your password. Remember that passwords are case-sensitive, so ensure you're typing it correctly. Step 6. Click the Sign In button. Finally, click the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you'll be logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Now, let's talk about some variations and troubleshooting. Troubleshooting common login issues. Forgotten password. If you've forgotten your password, don't panic. On the login screen, you'll see a Forgot User ID or Password link. Click on it. You'll be guided through a password recovery process, which typically involves verifying your identity through email or phone. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Incorrect user ID or email. Double-check that you're entering the correct email address or user ID. Sometimes, a simple typo can cause login issues. Browser issues. If you're experiencing persistent login problems, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes, outdated browser data can interfere with website functionality. Also, try using a different browser to see if the issue persists. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. If you've enabled 2FA, you'll be prompted to enter a verification code after entering your password. This code can be sent to your phone via text or generated by an authenticator app. Ensure you have access to your phone or authenticator app. Mobile app login. QuickBooks Online also offers a mobile app for both iOS and Android devices. Logging in through the app is generally straightforward. Step 1. Download and install the app. Download the QuickBooks Online app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Install it on your device. Step 2. Open the app. Open the QuickBooks Online app. Step 3. Enter your user ID or email address. Enter your user ID or email address associated with your QuickBooks Online account. Step 4. Enter your password. Enter your password. Step 5. Tap the Sign In button. Tap the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you'll be logged into your account. Security best practices. Strong passwords. Use a strong, unique password for your QuickBooks Online account. A strong password should be a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. Enable 2FA whenever possible. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Regular password updates. Change your password periodically to minimize the risk of unauthorized access. Avoid public Wi-Fi. Be cautious when logging into your QuickBooks Online account on public Wi-Fi networks. Keep your software updated. Ensure your web browser and operating system are up to date with the latest security patches. Phishing awareness. Be aware of phishing scams. Never click on suspicious links or provide your login credentials to untrusted sources. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.